furnace. As you know, the furnace is the GMB creepypasta. This is the dangerous one that someone ever seen. So, if you encounter one of those things, I highly recommend you to leave as soon as possible, because your device is getting really hot if you see it. So I highly have a chance to leave the game immediately, or try to leave immediately as soon as you see it. If you see any of the unusual characters, like the furnace or the searchlights or the algal and tentacle or Loch Ness, it's highly recommended chance to immediately, if you see those, like any more of these creepypastas. Okay, bye my berry fans.